What's going on, guys? So you all have seen tons of videos I've made on Brinkley fifth wheels and toy haulers, including the Model G. But what's in front of you is called the Model G 4155, and there's something really special about this unit. So don't click past this one. You're going to want to see what's going on up there and what that window is exclusively for. This right here is a really great design for families who have smaller kids and really want to protect those kids and want to have the ability to take whatever toy they want with them. They're doing a lot of great things, from upgraded suspension, 17.5-inch H-rated uniroll tires, Dexter Easy Flex suspension upgrades with the shackle hanger straps, greasable wet bolts, all of that stuff. They use the monster frame or the monster beam for the main beams on this thing. Up here they have the Everchill refrigerator tucked below. Just all the Brinkley stuff you're used to. This massive storage area, probably the most incredible sounding Rockford Fosgate sound system you'll ever hear, with speakers that are down facing. It's such a cool setup and it sounds great. You have this drawer right here which pulls out for additional storage, but then in between the actual I-beam rails they found even more storage. So they give you this hatch here to give you a storage that's about a foot deep and extends all the way across to the other side. And just check this out. It's absolutely insane what they're doing here. And you even have these little hatches that drop down if you want to separate these two pieces of space, as well as this space right here. They give you a lithium iron phosphate battery in here, all Victron equipment. It is absolutely cool, plus a 5,500 watt generator. When we look at the overall length of this thing, it's 46 feet 5 inches long, 11-foot garage. They don't have the hitch weight yet, 23,500 pound GVWR. And yeah, this is a beast. But let me show you a little bit of this floor plan before we hop on board. And yeah, we're gonna get on board this 4155, do a really quick walkthrough tour, and then show you what's going on in the very front that I think is gonna surprise you. All right, so as we get on board, you'll see you have a really nice kitchen here. On this side, you got all your drawers. Everything in here is gonna be soft closing. 4-burner gas stove oven, convection microwave. Again, all solid surface. All the little cool nuggets that the folks at Brinkley give you, like these little drop-down trays for knives, for silverware. And then they usually have this right here for your cutting board, plus more utensil space under here, and these can actually be pulled out if you don't want the dividers. And then double trash can, as well as the ability to cover this up and have it used for this little area of your cutting board. So I mean, they do really creative things, even the way they let you store your paper towels. Everything is dovetailed. Check that out. It's all finished off, and it just looks and feels fantastic. So that's what you're used to. Over here, I mean, check this out. You have this enormous pantry system, which looks absolutely beautiful with adjustable shelves. You have this GE French door refrigerator. More storage above, more access to your Rockford Fosgate system and all your light controls. You have a really good living room setup in here. So you have your traditional sofa right there, and this is actually theater seating, as well as this really cool L-shaped sectional. This is awesome. It's just a beautiful interior, especially for such a large toy hauler. And then you have your 65-inch TV, panoramic fireplace, and then your garage back here, which I think is a 12-foot garage. So it's a relatively small garage, but I think for a lot of folks, this is the perfect size. Then this is one of those collapsible bathroom areas where you can take the wall back and you can open this all up if you need more space. Plus it has a sink that actually folds down right there over the toilet. And then you have your loft up top and your TV. On the other side, you have kind of a compact Happy Jack system that lowers down for chairs or seating, as well as a bed above it. And then you have your back patio over here that you can open the door and walk out on. But what I want to talk to you about in this specific floor plan is what's way up here. All right, so quickly, I'll let you see the bathroom. One-piece shower that looks absolutely fantastic. Multi-head sprayer, undermount sink, solid surface materials everywhere, solid surface porcelain foot flush toilet. Then you have another kind of pull-out pantry system right here for your bathroom for towels and toiletries. And then underneath it, a spot for your trash can. And then in your bedroom, you have this really cool thing, which slides out. Let me see if I can get this to work on the first try. That is really cool, so you don't have to take everything off to flip it up. I knew that would probably happen. You have your TV mounted above, nicely trimmed off. More drawers under here as well. You have your closet space, but then check this out. This has a bunk room up front. So it has twin bunks above each other. I love how they've actually trimmed it all off. It looks so spaceship-like. I think kids would love to be in this area. This is a heck of a cool setup here, and I really think this is ideal for most families. This is a perfect space. You have storage here, wardrobe storage. Then you also have large, deep drawers, like really deep drawers here. What do you guys think? This is such a cool space, and I think they executed well, because when the kiddos need to go to bed, if they're younger kids, you're right here. They have to sneak by the parents before they can actually get out of the RV, which is a really good thing if you're worried about the safety of those kids. Plus, you have windows that they can use as a fire escape. So this is one of my favorite floor plans. I love how they've done this. The only thing, of course, some people might worry about is if the parents are going to bed early, then it might be difficult for, you know, the kids to be able to keep themselves quiet while you're trying to sleep, or if the parents need their own personal space, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. You know, this is a huge toy hauler fifth wheel. It's beautiful. I love the living room. I love this bar area with the 2 bar stools. They've executed really well on this unit. Overall, I really think that this is something that's going to appeal to a lot of folks, especially with that front bunkhouse. And of course, you're going to get all of the normal Brinkley stuff, wiring harnesses, the automotive gaskets to seal everything up. I mean, it's just a really phenomenal product that they build here, and I'm super impressed, because every time they come out with something, it seems as if they're really revolutionizing the industry. And then I think there's something here, because I see some gaps, so I bet you have hidden storage right here. I mean, check this out. This is so cool. They find places for so much cool little nuggets that take advantage of space that might otherwise be wasted. But what do you guys think? Please drop a comment below. You're going to get all the normal Brinkley stuff, like the wiring harnesses, the upgraded this and that. I mean, they give you so many little things that absolutely make Brinkley a brand worth considering if you're looking for one of the best brands of RVs you can buy. But I'd love your feedback as well. Drop a comment below. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.